Sure, you can just send a card, but instead, how about giving the gift of fresh baked bread? Give some cheer, give some Mary, give some white chocolate cherry, give the gift of great harvest, made from scratch every day, then wrapped up tight and sent on its way. Give cookies and muffins impossible to resist. At this time of year, they're on everyone's list. To give fresh baked joy, remember it's gotta be great harvest, bread, the way it ought to be. And if you must send a card, why not make it a Great Harvest gift card?